Hey everyone, check out this 20-foot aluminum snow rake designed for easy roof maintenance and safety. This tool offers 5 extension tubes and an anti-skid handle for a very stable and secure grip. The 25.5-inch rake head features safety rollers to protect your roof during snow removal. You can clear snow, leaves, and debris efficiently from the ground without ever needing a ladder. These lightweight aluminum rods easily adjust to reach heights up to 20 feet for maximum convenience. The kit provides everything from a pole adapter and wrenches to multiple sturdy extension poles for assembly. Our team offers excellent support to ensure you have a great experience with this professional clearing tool. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.